Hello friends, welcome to Yoga 360 Wellness, your own virtual yoga studio. We are all going through very tough times in this pandemic, and one thing which has gained more importance is our mental health. We are seeing greater levels of mental stress, anxiety, depression, and all these issues. Now, one thing which can help you in this is yoga, and particularly the pranayama. Because if you notice, the way we feel, our emotions, they are very closely related to our breath. If you remember last time when you were angry on someone, you would have noticed that your breath would have become very shallow. So in yoga, pranayam can help you to control your breath, which will in turn help you to control your emotions. So today we are going to see one beautiful pranayam called Kapalabhati. This is a very famous pranayam. It's also Kriya in yogic sciences. So the way it is, and if you look at the name Kapalabhati, Kapal means the skull and Bhati means glow. So this pranayam is so powerful that it can actually help you to get a glow in your skull, and it helps you to increase your lung capacity, it improves your blood circulation, and it enhances your overall respiratory system. So for Kapalbhati, you need to sit in any comfortable posture. You can sit in Padmasana if you are comfortable, otherwise even in Sukhasana. You have to sit with your spine straight. Hands can be there on your knees in Chin Mudra, and you have to close your eyes. Now, one important thing to do in Kapalbhati is to focus on exhalation. The inhalation is passive in Kapalbhati. You don't have to actively inhale. Inhalation will become passive, and actively you have to exhale with both your nostrils so that the air comes out forcefully, and your focus should be only on your abdomen region. So you have to try and pull your navel inside. The entire contract, entire abdominal region you need to pull inside, and the entire other body parts have to remain absolutely still. So let me demonstrate it once. So you have to sit with your hands straight in Chin Mudra. First exhale completely. Inhale. Take few deep breaths. And then bring your attention to your abdomen and contract your navel. Pull your navel inside. Like this. So exhalation should be through the nostrils. You don't have to force the exhalation, but it has to be exhalation. The focus should be on the exhalation, not on the inhalation. Inhalation will be passive, like this. So you can see the whole body is still, only thing is contracting is your abdomen, like this. And you can even increase the speed, like this. So one thing you need to be careful is if you have any hypertension or blood pressure related issues, do it little slow, don't do it very fast. That is one important thing. And there are few variations. You can also do it with one nostril, like this. Right and left as well. So overall, if you do Kapalbhati in the morning and maybe also once in the evening, it can do really wonders to bring that glow in your skull. It will help you to strengthen your lung capacity, your respiratory system, and it will improve your overall blood circulation and well-being. And like I said, in the current pandemic times, it's really important for us to have our mental balance in place. Unfortunately, our physical activity has reduced and our mental stress has increased. So, yoga is one such thing which can help you to get that balance back in your life. You can do it easily from the comfort of your home. All you need is just a mat, and you can join my classes live. I'm offering you a free demo sessions. If you please feel free to join my classes, where I will teach you all these yogic practices. And there's a structured approach which we have, which includes your pranayam, Surya Namaskar, asanas, Yog Nidra. So it's like a 1 hour session which we do Monday to Friday, morning 6:30 to 7:30. You're most welcome to join. I will look forward to welcoming you there. All the details are there on my website, as well as my number is there. You can contact me. I'll be happy to welcome you in my classes. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Om Namah Shivaya.